Good afternoon, teachers. First of all, we would like to thank you for giving this opportunity to us. I am Amruta Shahane and my teammate is Pragati Kankriya and our group number is 20B19 and our project mentor is Minakshi Garg ma'am. We are from MCA second year afternoon batch. Today we are going to present you our project. Our project is AI Assistant. We made this assistant by using Python language. The many contents are available in this project. Python. The introduction of Python is one of the most popular programming language used for developers today. This is one of the most widely used language. Virtual assistant also called AI assistant that understand voice command and complete tasks for the user. Python has pre-built libraries. Some examples of AI assistants is Google Assistant, Samsung's Bixby, Apple Siri, Amazon's Alexa, Microsoft's Cortana. The basic concept of project is it used natural processing language, that is automatic speech recognition, artificial intelligence, inter-process communication. The required specifications are Python 3.8, PyCharm Anaconda 3, Chrome drivers, Seleniums. Required packages are PyTTSX3. PyTTSX3 is a text-to-speech recognition command in Python. Speech recognition, this is a main function library. It's try to understand what I speak. Subprocess, this is a standard library used to process various system commands. Request, it accepts URL as parameter and gives access to the given URLs. There are some ER diagrams and use case diagram. User can ask question, then task will be executed. User receives queries and the command can be response. This is a code architecture and this is some outputs of the project. Now, the coding part of our project will be explained by Pragati Kankriya. Thank you.
Our group is B19 and our project name is AI Assistant. We made this AI Assistant project using Python language. This is our main file for this project. Here there are some packages that we use to create this project, like PyTTSX3. It is used for speech to text. Then speech recognition, it is used for recognize or speak. Then Selenium Web, YouTube Auto, Random Facts, Jokes, Weather, Date and Time, Subprocess, PyAuto GUI. Here our main project definition starts from it. This is our main file. This is our main code. Here Gulabo greets us. Then we will give command to Gulabo and then Gulabo executes our project. Here are which functions will Gulabo perform, like video play, search for Wikipedia, opening notepad, opening calculator, volume up, volume down, screenshot and shutdown. Also Facebook, Insta, WhatsApp. There are several files which are used to create this project, like volume, volume down, earth, Instagram, YouTube auto, then shutdown, then screenshot, then calculator, then notepad. Also there are many files to create this project. Here I'll show you how it works.
Hello girls, good morning, my name is Gulabo. Today is 01 of September, and it's currently 9:55 am. Temperature in our Parbani is 25.9 degrees Celsius and with overcast clouds. What can I do for you?